trip after Olaf Soka because the weather is very, very extremely nice. So we're taking the old road from Torshavn to Klaksvik, which is taking up the mountain, right, going? Taking up, right up the mountain, and we're going to pass what I think the most beautiful prison in the world.
So the way to communicate to the Americans.
Suddenly we're going to enter Silent Hill. So there it is. If you see, sort of like this.
It used to be the military.
Can you see that there's
the army.
house, a
This was the
building?
Mother's Army. It used to be the Mother's Army, Danish Army's place.
Look at that.
Yep.
See, I told you it's the most beautiful prison in the
It
world.
doesn't look that high security though.
No, not anymore. But it used to be during the Cold War. It was so strict that not even Faroese were allowed.
The high security. Can we stop?
We just leave them.
We're the next to
What
that.
is there prisoners in there?
Yes.
The most high security, maybe bad guys from Faroe Island go to Azkaban.
It looks like school. Yeah, it does. Yeah, we're falling. At the point that school is cool.
So here it is. What I said, what I claim to be the most beautiful prison in the world. And according to my son, it seems to have a very low security. But look at that. And why is it the most beautiful? I mean, look at that view, my friend. It's beautiful, isn't it? So before it was what?
Especially during the Cold War, this was a very high security place. You were not allowed to enter it. Not even the Prime Minister of Faroe Islands or anyone in Faroe Islands could enter it. But now, since the Cold War's been over and they've changed their telecommunications, they've given this back to the Faroese people. And they made it into a jail.
Prison, jail. What I call this. A resort. This is not Titanic.
You're here. There's nothing to fear. Bagus! Titanic!
Don't.
Oh my god! No, two people! You're here. There's
No, don't do that. Stop that.
I've been holding.
Apparently those two dots is a radio transmission. Used to be.
Or still is.
Where is it? Used to or still is?
Must still is. It's still in function.
Okay, let's go home, kids.
record.